Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime with Ms. Iron. Today, we're meeting Bailey, a bouncy bunny with a problem. His hiccups have gone missing. Bailey the bunny was known for his infectious giggle and his frequent, adorable hiccups. Heek! Hi-eek! He'd giggle, his little cottontail twitching with glee. But one morning, something strange happened. Bailey woke up feeling normal, no hiccups in sight. Bailey tried everything to get them back. He drank a whole bowl of milk a bit too fast, causing a tummy ache but no hiccups. He bounced on his trampoline until his legs felt like jelly, super fun, but still no hiccups. He even tried scaring himself by jumping out from behind a bush, not recommended, but guess what? No hiccups. Feeling defeated, Bailey sat under his favorite apple tree. "Where did my hiccups go?" he sighed. Suddenly, a tiny voice chirped, "Looking for something, bunny?" Bailey looked down to see a ladybug with bright red wings. "My hiccups!" he exclaimed. "They've disappeared." The ladybug giggled. "Hiccups are funny creatures," she explained. "They like to hide in places with lots of laughter and joy." Bailey's ears perked up. "So, what can I do to get them back?" The ladybug winked. "Spread some cheer. Make someone else laugh, and maybe your hiccups will come home." With newfound determination, Bailey hopped off. He found his grumpy neighbor, Mr. Turtle, struggling to climb a fence. Bailey helped him by digging a small ramp under the fence. Mr. Turtle, surprised and grateful, let out a slow, rumbling chuckle. Bailey then went to the playground, where some baby birds were too scared to take their first flight. Bailey sang them a silly song, flapping his ears like wings. The baby birds giggled and took a wobbly but brave flight. By the end of the day, Bailey was exhausted but happy. He had helped Mr. Turtle, cheered on the baby birds, and even made a grumpy squirrel smile with a goofy joke. As he snuggled under his favorite blanket, a familiar feeling bubbled up inside him. Hi-ick, Bailey giggled, his whole body hiccuping with joy. His hiccups were back, and they were more joyful than ever before. See, kids, sometimes the best things in life, like hiccups or laughter, come back to us when we spread happiness to others. So go out there today, tell a joke, be silly, and see what kind of joy you can spark. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures with Bailey and his friends.